Okay, this is a 1996 Holmes 20-inch box fan mount HABF-21. I got this fan along with a cool operator and a couple other fans, which I'll video at some point or another. This fan is in mint condition, other than the handle and knob are yellowed a decent bit. Other than that, everything else is crisp white. It's got absolutely no rust in anywhere. The frame's perfectly straight, motor's perfectly clean. Needed no work at all, other than I put some drops of oil in the bearings, and even though it didn't really need it, it did speed it up a tiny bit, but not much. Overall, the fan runs great, looks really good. It's a rather interesting one. I can't say I've ever seen one of these before. If you haven't noticed it yet, it uses a Toastmaster style blade, which is after Toastmaster went on, I guess, just quit making fans, which that was in 1994. So maybe the patents just went up for sale or auction or something or another, and Holmes Robeson managed to get a hold of them, because that's who made these fans. And because this is definitely a Robeson made box fan. I could tell by the handle and knob, but this is definitely a Robeson made fan, and the style of the grills and whatnot. It's just a later version of one, so it has the very, very enclosed back grill that has vents that are very, very close together. It's strange. The front grill is not exactly the safest on this fan. It's really easy to get your fingers inside that front grill. I tried. And you can reach right in there and touch the blades, no problem. But whatever. It's still a really cool fan. It's one I plan on using quite a bit, because it's got a really nice, quiet, low speed to it. And it seems all these Toastmaster style blades produce a motor hum. That's kind of strange, because this one's definitely got very few hours on it, and it hums. So, who knows? Maybe it's just the style of the blade makes them produce a hum. But it seems the only ones that didn't were the old Toastmasters from the 80s that had the metal Toastmaster made motor in them, and not a McMillan. Anyway, that's it for this video. So, as usual, thank you for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.